Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video I've made for you guys is about different beautiful lip makeups and lip arts. These are so gorgeous and unique in itself. For more research you have to just hit the subscribe button, and beside that you have to click the bell icon so whenever I'll upload a new video you will be notified. And a request to you beautiful viewers is this: please share it if you can to your family and friends. And I'm thankful to you all for your support and for your love. Especially I want to let you guys know that I have my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter and my website. Links are in the description box below. Follow me there and let's begin this beautiful lip art video. Dear viewers, look at this beautiful lip makeup which is blue in color and so amazing. Look at this sunset makeup which is gorgeous. This makeup is silver in color and so shiny. Look at this marble effects makeup with golden linings. And this forest and river makeup and this floral makeup with shimmer glitter. If you are a person who loves floral kind of things, this video was for you as well. Look at this rose printed makeup, it's so beautiful. And these lips makeup are so gorgeous, and you can also have a same nail polish and nail paint so that you matches with your nail paint as well. Look at this colorful rainbow one. You can wear this on all occasions. It's so ideal and pretty, and you can make a simple look into a gorgeous, stunning, beautiful one. Guys, how did you find this one? Let me know down in the comment box below. A galaxy unicorn. Look at the nail painted. And these are all so beautiful, so stunning. A Christmas lip art for those who are approaching and looking for Christmas makeups. This is an idea for you. Look at a swimming makeup with a shark and the Mona Lisa art. For those who are fan of history, this lip art is for you. And of different Disney character makeup, these are for you as well. Ombre design and ombre style makeup with blue, white and pink. Look at this galaxy makeup with Saturn, stars and different planets. Look at this burger lip makeup, but this is just a plain yellow one. Look at this beautiful bronze gorgeous makeup. Gel lipsticks and matte as well. Look at this beautiful matte one. Guys, I want to ask you a question. Which fan are you? Either matte, shimmer or glossy lip? Comment down below and let me know your choices, and I will tune according to your recommendations and suggestions. What kind of videos do you like? Your comments are really important for me. Me personally, I love matte makeup more rather than shimmer one, because it has such a fine finishing with a matte look, but glitter sometimes is great as well. Look at this perfect matte lip color which looks so great, and this pretty pink one. Look at this gray one, it's so beautiful. And all of these are really gorgeous to wear at different occasions and party wears. And guys, it will look really great if you paint your nail as your lip. It's a great idea to be the most stunning one among all. Also look at this pearl makeup, it looks so gorgeous. These lip arts are really to next level. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you're enjoying, just take your time and hit the like button. I'll be grateful to you viewers. Look at the seashell makeup and beautiful clouds. Look at this rosy lip makeup. Every single of them is stunning and beautiful. Also guys, let me know down below that what video would you prefer to watch next. Isn't this lip makeup pretty cool? And lovely viewers, here's a glance of Halloween lip art. Look at this thunderstorm and lightning lip makeup. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Look at these pretty stars. And once again for flower lovers, look at this beautiful floral lip art makeup and colorful rainbow lip art. Gorgeous, so lovely. And marble effect lip arts. This is the gorgeous ones, isn't it? I personally love marble effects so much. Even you are a fan of a marble arts one? Do let me know down in the comment box below. How cute is this rainbow lip art? All of these are gorgeous. Sprinkles lip art and black matte. All are these gorgeous, lovely lip art. A honeycomb, how pretty is this? Glossy lip art and candy design lip arts. So cool. And for more such videos, stay tuned on my channel. Fire lip art. Again, these are all pretty amazing and pretty cool makeup and lip color. And look at this galaxy lip makeup. A matte rainbow lip art and glitter with matte pink lips. I loved most of them watching. It's pretty cool and so satisfying watching them all. If you love watching these videos, do subscribe and let me know down in the comment box below which one did you like the most. Also guys, shall I upload next eye makeup videos? Would you prefer watching it? If yes, then comment down below. And if you are an Instagram, Twitter lover, if you're more active on those social networking IDs, I have my chat IDs too, and my pages. Links are in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Pinterest. Over there I brings beautiful videos and photos and posts which you guys would love definitely to watch. You can also follow me there. And until then, take care. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I'm really thankful to you all. Love you all guys.